I hope you guys enjoy this as much as I'm going to enjoy it.
Hey guys, Tim Walling here with SELegalCarry.com. We train people and teach people to get a concealed weapons permit in South Carolina. So one of the things that come up a lot are glasses. So I do wear glasses. I have transitional lenses. I do have astigmatism. I absolutely hate wearing these glasses. And I've got a lot of glasses. So right back here I have another set. These will turn dark when I go outside. In the sunshine, at half the time I can't even find these glasses. That's why I've always got a set of readers here. And I keep readers. I keep these things all over the house, in the cars, so that I can grab a pair. So when I go to shoot, I'm always looking for glasses. I'm trying to put glasses on my regular readers on. I'm trying to put on safety glasses over top of them. This just doesn't really work out that well for me. So then you got your glasses that are tinted to try to help with the bright lights or in the dark settings inside some ranges. So what are some of the options out there? Some of the things I did was I got safety glasses, but they have bifocals here in the bottom so that when I go to shoot, I can see the sights, but I have to tilt my head all the way back to be able to see out of the bifocals in the bottom of the glasses. Then I went to these, so we got a bunch of different ones here, and so these guys make safety glasses, but they make them, you can get them the 0.5, you can get them 1.5, 1.75. So I got several sets of these, okay, that I use also. Got all these glasses that I'm dealing with at the range, and SSP eyewear. Now, these are actually really nice and might be the option for some of you folks. These will pop off, the lens will pop off here. So I've got the yellow lens, the dark brown lens for outside in the sun, and then these are the white lenses. So what they've done is they put the bifocals up here in the top so that when you go to shoot, you just tilt your head forward just a little bit and the gun sights are right here in front of the bifocals so that you can see the gun sights nice and clear. But wearing bifocals makes it hard to see those shots off in the distance. When you're shooting and practicing and doing those long shots, these things just don't work out that great for it. So what is the answer? What's a person supposed to do? All these safety glasses they got here and trying to get something to work with your firearm. So I was doing all sorts of things until I went and bought my first optic. Now, once I got my first optic, I didn't want to do it. I didn't want to go that direction with it. I didn't want to put a optic on my gun. I wanted to be able to use my iron sights. But I finally came to realize that the help I needed from all these glasses to be able to see the sights on a firearm and shoot it, I was spending more time trying to mess with that stuff. Do I have those with me when I'm carrying my everyday carry gun? No, I do not. So what am I going to do? I'm going to take time to pull these things out and put these on so that I can actually use this? Not going to do that. So once I finally put the optic on here and I realize that I can acquire my sights really quick with this thing, and I can see in the distance fairly well. So when I pull this thing up and slide it in, I can see the red dot and put the dot on whatever I need to. When you're using this, when you're sighting your gun in using your iron sights, you're looking at three things. You're looking through the rear sight, you're looking at the front sight, you're looking at the target. Your eye can focus on one thing, it has to focus on the front sight. Clear, sharpest picture has to be right here so you can center it in the notch of the rear, and you're using your peripheral vision to center that up on the target in the distance. But with a red dot, you look at your target in the distance and you put the red dot on that target in the distance. So this seemed to have solved my visual problem for me, so I can carry my firearm, have a red dot on it, and pull it out and actually see the sights and be very accurate with the firearm. So a lot of people say, oh, you'll break this thing's going to get all dirty, you'll pull it out, it'll be nasty. I haven't had any problem with that at all. This thing hasn't been getting dirty. Sometimes you get some lint or dust on it, but it's no big deal. I keep a little cloth, I just wipe it right off. But nothing that's going to stop me from actually shooting. The more I shoot the gun, especially after I've cleaned it, I'm getting some carbon and stuff coming back this way on the lens. You just wipe it right off. But so that may be the thing for you to do. If you've been struggling with all these different glasses and trying to figure out what to do and what's going to work for you and how you're going to be able to see your sights on your gun if you had to, then maybe an optic is the answer for you also. So you can pull that out, acquire your sights quickly, and see what you're shooting at. So I hope that helps. Hope if anybody's out there looking for what to do with their vision and their glasses and their firearms, maybe an optic's the way for you to go also. So remember, everybody, be safe. Don't push your responsibility as a gun owner off onto a child. Buy gun locks and gun safes. Secure your firearms and lock them up. Take care, guys. Till next time.